what caused the death of Mheshimiwa? I told is an accident. That's one of the reasons. Before I forgot, the damage caused by our roads, the road users, especially the motorbikes, is quite serious. This sector, unless a deliberate action taken by those who are in authority and properly regulated, I think we're in a sham. The motorbike is alleged to have been used for several commitment of heinous crime. It facilitates a lot of crime. That doesn't mean that it doesn't serve a positive purpose for the country. Yes, it does. But there are those who are errant, which we need to be dealt with seriously. So our leaders are around. This is just a reminder